Hey guys, today I have another swatch video for you on another Nailz by Dev collection. So this is the Candy Shop collection. This is the box of it, which is so cute. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see all the little details. So we have the... Sorry, I'm babysitting my nephew today and he's like yelling. Cooper! I'm just filming a video, so can you keep it down please? I said, I'm just filming a video. Can you keep it down, please?
Okay.
Thanks, darling. Love you.
Love you too.
So this is the box here. So yeah, it's got her little logo on it. And we have all these cute little candies. Got some little Sour Patch Kids, little gummy worms, little ring pop. So yeah, super cute. So I have brought you in close because I'm going to show you the swatches. Now, I have actually used quite a few polishes from this collection, and I'm still going to make a video showing you, like, you know, showcasing them in action and things like that, but I actually do really like this collection. Spoiler alert, I think it's super cute. The colours are stunning. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer and we're just going to start randomly. So this is the first shade here, and this one is called Lemon Freeze. It's obviously a yellow shade. It is super cute. This is the swatch here of Lemon Freeze. I feel like it looks like it's going to be more pastel in the bottle, but then it's actually quite like vibrant. So yeah, it's a real pretty shade. I feel like it'll be super cute for like summertime. The next shade we have is called Sugar Mama. It's this beautiful like bubblegum pinky shade. And this is the swatch here of Sugar Mama. You can see it's literally like your typical bubblegum pink. It's super bright, super neon. It's absolutely stunning. And I will say these look so nice matte as well. When I put the matte top coat on them, I did a look with or a set with the blue, the purple and the pink, and put matte over them, and they looked so cool. This one here is called So Juicy. I think this shade is so pretty. It's obviously like this orange shade, and that is how it looks there. I love it. It's real pretty. It reminds me of like a little I don't know, it's just like of like a icy pole or something. I don't know. It's really nice. This one here is called Laffy Taffy. Fun fact, we actually don't have this in Australia. It's like a sweet in like America or something, yeah. And also I feel like Americans call them, or like the other parts of the world call it like candy. We call it like lollies. Like the lolly shop, like, you know, can you go to the shop and get me some lollies? But I feel like, you know, in America they're like, can you go get me some candy? But anyway, this is Laffy Taffy here, and this shade is so pretty. I honestly love every single shade in this collection. I think they're all just so beautiful. Yeah, I feel like this one's really nice. It's almost like a lavender pastel kind of purple, but it's still like really vibrant and nice. I don't know, it's really nice. This one is called I Want Candy. It's funny because I was literally just saying we don't call it candy. This is like a beautiful lime green shade. Absolutely stunning. You guys know I'm a sucker for green. And yeah, this shade is so cool. These colours are so fun. I want to put them back on my nails already. So yeah, you can see it's like really bright and like neon almost. Super vibrant. And yeah, it's like a lime green. Next we have Sugar High, which is this beautiful like pastel kind of blue, but also not. Like, I don't know, it's really pretty. Oh, it's almost kind of like sky blue as well. I don't know, these shades are all just so like, they're all like basic but also unique. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like the longer you look at them, the more you kind of see, like, I don't know, they're just perfect colors, and they all just look so fun. Next one we have is called Sweet Tooth. This is kind of like a aquary kind of shade, but not. It's like a mix of like blue and green. It's so pretty. Oh, absolutely stunning. I'm sure you guys can tell this is probably one of my favorite out of the collection. This color is right up my alley. So gorgeous. And then the last shade that we have is called Candy Kisses, and this is the only shade in this collection that has like shimmer in it. The rest of them are just like solid colors. This one's so beautiful. It's like this lavendery kind of purple, and then it has like beautiful little silver specks of shimmer and stuff through it. Stunning! The last two shades I showed you are the only two that I haven't used yet. So I'm really excited to try those shades out. I'm gonna see if I can kind of like hold them all up so you can get kind of gradient. I don't know how I'm gonna do a terrible job of this. You can kind of see them all together there, kind of. So yeah, you can see it's just such a fun collection. So beautiful, so vibrant. I don't know, these colours just make me really happy. I'm actually going to show you a couple of nails that I've done with these, just to kind of... So this is the yellow of the collection. Beautiful. The orange of the collection. This was like a little press-on set that I did, and it was really cute actually. This is the pink. The blue. I love this nail. I think this nail is so beautiful. And the purple, you can barely see this one because it's covered up by all the little gems. And the green. And then just some more. This is also the blue and the pink out of this collection. So yeah, you can see just like a couple of examples, I guess, of nail looks there. Nail looks, you know what I'm talking about. And just for reference, all of these swatches are 2 coats, so I feel like they're so pigmented. But yeah, I'm so excited to do a look using these, a set using these when like on my channel. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.